Morning crew, slippery again this morning. How are we? I do apologise for the breaking videos. Unfortunately, we had one of our family members pass away due to asbestos lung cancer. Very, very nasty stuff. I know he's in a better place. So yeah, rattled the family a little bit. So I've just had a bit of a break. So, but I thought I'd get back to it. And show you a little bit of product. Not really big on this. I don't like sort of pushing too many brands, so I'm going to say I'm not going to try and mention any brands. I just wanted to show you the difference between some proteins. We get a lot of questions in the shop, and I get a lot of phone calls asking about. Well, being really just confused. They walk in. And say, I have no idea, the doctor said I needed protein, or the nutritionist said I needed protein. I went, right, okay. Excuse me. Oh, that's a different taste. We have some chaga. Yeah, I can't say I'm a big fan. The cordyceps tastes much, much better. So we get some customers that are asking, or they don't know the difference between proteins. And it is a big question, unless you sort of really go and research it yourself. A lot of people don't really know. And there are different, different sensitivities, I guess, when it comes to these as well. I mean, you've got your lactose with your dairy. You've got sometimes the pea protein can upset people's stomachs as well. So you've got to be a bit careful with all this. So what I'll do is I'll quickly grab one now. Like I said, I'm not brand specific. I just grab one off the shelf. So everyone goes for. So the majority of people will die for whey protein. So see that little thing, whey. So that's whey is derived from cheese, which is dairy. All right. So there's a myriad of different formats. So I won't go into that because I covered it before. Next, cab off the rank, you've got all your plant-based proteins, right? So these are from legumes, rice, hemp. Yeah, hemp. Yeah. For example, this one's a combination of brown sprouted rice. Whoop, if I can actually put that up there, and pea protein. So not a bad one. You've got another dairy product. That one there is another whey protein, just a natural one. And then the other one I've got a fair bit of is one derived from animal source, which is collagen. Now, collagen is actually the highest in protein of every one of them. It runs around about 96%. And that is really, really high, which is fantastic compared to some of your whey proteins, which are around about 80 to 85, or your pea proteins, which run around about 90%. Yes, pea protein is higher than whey protein. A lot of people will go, oh no, whey protein is much higher than anything else, No, it's unfortunately not. So with all those sensitivities, you've got a myriad of different options. They all have different percentages in protein, and you've got a massive selection these days. It's huge. What I've got here is only just the tip of the iceberg. I mean, you've got so many other options. You've got egg, you've got, like I said, hemp. I've even found cricket protein, not the batsman, the actual little bugs, cricket. And I had some in here and I tasted it. Didn't taste buggy, but yeah, cricket protein. Who would have thought? So if you do have a sensitivity, there are options for you. Basically, what I'm saying. And that way you can cover your protein requirements if you're not getting enough of it through your natural, through your whole food source. And I said that's what it's if. This stuff is a supplement, right? Meant to be taken to add protein to your diet, not in replace of. Okay, I must point that out because you find that a lot of people will take this and go, oh, I must be on protein powder. No, eat your protein through all your meats, legumes, chicken, fish. The list goes on, right? So that's just a quick overview of different protein types, I guess, for sensitivity. Like I said, I have had it asked in the past, so I thought I'd clear that up. No worries, guys. I shall talk to you soon. Yes, we are back into training. Yes, I am struggling. But yeah, hopefully we should be right. Talk soon.